this video, we are going to learn how to check whether a journal is indexed in SSCI or SSCI. We are going to learn whether a journal is indexed in SCI or SSCI. In other words, we are going to learn how to check whether the journal is indexed in what we call the Web of Science. So to check whether a journal is indexed in the Web of Science, you just come here and Google the Web of Science. You Google the Web of Science, and then you'll be presented by various links. So you come here, you can see there is this Web of Science, the general website. Then you click on this master journal list. There is this second link which is called Web of Science Master Journal List. When you click on that, it will open. You click on that link to open it. So when the link opens, so you'll be presented by this interface or this website. So in this website, it generally tries to index, or it tries to summarize the journals that are indexed in Science Citation Index Expanded, that is the SCIE, the Social Science Citation Index SSCI. There is also the Arts and Humanities Citation Index, which we call AHCI, and there is also what we call the Emerging Sources Citation Index. So to search, you can search your journal here, but what I want you to do is that you click on this icon called this logo here called Master Journal List. When you click on that, you click on that logo. When you click on that logo, this particular website will open the home page. You can see here we have the home page. So you click on that logo to open the home page. So when you open the home page, then you will be presented by this interface or this website, whereby it says browse, search, and explore journals indexed in the Web of Science. So here you can explore, you can search, you can also browse any journal that has been indexed in the Web of Science. So remember, you see that the Web of Science indexes journal in various indexes, such as SCI, SSCI, etc. So what you have to do is that you have to put the name of your journal here. You can search the name of the journal. You can also put the ISSN. So let us come here and find a particular journal. Let's maybe we want to search this journal called European Journal of Political Science. So you just go online and search any journal. Let's say maybe we want to see whether this journal, maybe you want to publish a paper in this journal called European Journal of Political Economy. So what you do is that you search for its ISSN. You can just Control F, Control Find. You look where the ISSN is located. Because it is quite hard to locate immediately, you just Control 5, then you type ISSN, then it will be displayed. You can see that the ISSN of this website is, we have the print ISSN and the online. We can use the online ISSN. So you copy the ISSN, then you come here and paste it on this Web of Science search tab. When you copy it there, you search the journal. Then when you click on search the journal, the Web of Science will explore or will search on its database to see whether it has that particular journal, and then the results will be displayed. So you can see in this case, the European Journal of Political Economy is already indexed in the Web of Science. So you can see the publisher of that particular journal. It is published by Elsevier Science Incorporation. Then the journal is in New York, USA. You can also see its ISSN here and also EISSN. Then you can also see in the Web of Science collection, it is indexed by, or is indexed under SSCI. the social science citation index, and also maybe additional Web of Science indexes. It is also indexed by ESI, the Essential Science Indicators. So that is how you check whether a journal has been indexed in the Web of Science, and you also see how it has been indexed. For this case, this one has been indexed as SSCI. Let's look at maybe for another journal. Let's talk about maybe you want to publish a technology paper. So you search for a journal related to technology. So you can just type technology journals. Maybe you want to type you want to publish to technology journals, so you just type technology journals and then you search on Google. Then Google will display you with different technology journals. Maybe there is this journal called Journal of Information Technology. There is this journal called Journal of Information Technology. So if we open that Journal of Information Technology, we open that Journal of Information Technology and then we search on, or we look for its ISSN. So here is the ISSN. You just control find and then you find its online ISSN and then you copy. When you copy it, you come here to the Web of Science. We can first of all clear. You can first of all clear everything. You can clear everything there. Then you paste that ISSN on the search tab. Then you paste it on the search tab. Then you click search. Then Web of Science, you search and then it will be displayed by the results. So you can see here is a Journal of Information Technology. So you can see this journal is already indexed in the Web of Science. So in case you search a journal and it does not appear in this list of journal, or it does not appear in the Web of Science, then it means that that journal is not indexed by the Web of Science. So that is the simple procedure on how you find whether a journal has been indexed by the Web of Science or it has been indexed under SCI or SSCI. Thank you.